Netflix app not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your Netflix app not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do, first you just need to simply go with your Microsoft Store and you need to search for Netflix. Once you search for Netflix on your Microsoft Store, now if you have any updates under your Microsoft Store on your Netflix, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you updated the application, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to just search for Netflix application on your device, and then you need to go with the app settings. Under the app settings, you need to scroll down and you need to click on repair. If that doesn't fix, then you can go with reset. Once you reset the application, then your app's data will be deleted. You might need to again log into your account, but once you've logged in, it will fix your problem. Once you've done with reset, now you just need to simply go back and restart your device, and after restarting, you can launch your Netflix, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Netflix app not working in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.